Welcome to my art studio. I'll show you around. I have here what I use to cut up paper to make custom sizes for drawings or paintings. I got my cutting mat and then my drawing table. And then I have here a booklet I write down any ideas I have for drawings or for videos, or if I'm in the middle of a drawing and I want to work on something later, I go ahead and write it down there. Pencil sharpener, my other drawing desk, and that one holds different pencils and pens in it. I got my tripod here, and that is what everyone is, the view that everybody has when they see me drawing. My light there. I've got another one, and it's being used at the moment. It is daylight bulb. And this is a new weird microphone. It's only $30, and it comes with a set. It comes with all of this for only $30. And then I have here is Logitech surround sound, Xbox 360, Asus monitor, and then I have phantom power for my microphone. And then I have up here is my custom built PC. The PC was supposed to be red and black, but the parts that I had found online that were blue, they were less than half the price, so I went ahead and just got that and ended up making a pretty decent PC. Logitech C922 webcam. Then I have the Red Dragon keyboard and mouse. Then over here, just some random things and glasses and watch and MP3 player. And then over here, my business cards, custom made by me. There's my modem. There's the rest of my surround sound. Then I've got my other storage. I use that for my video storage. I ran out my computer, so I had to get more. Over here I've got my set for my webcam and all that. Got all the gear and everything. And I take this with me when I go out and drawing and everything. And then I got over here all my paints. It's house paint. It's an exterior house paint, UV resistant. I've got all my other paints organized. One thing you will notice is I have to have things like perfectly organized. Like if it's not in the same spot and I go back to use it again, and I'll just it's like OCD. I have to have it perfect. But I have over here some paints and gouache, acrylic, watercolor. There's all my drawings and everything I set up over there. The ones on the right are unfinished and the ones on the left are finished. And I've got paint brushes, measuring tape, oil painting brushes. There's some finished drawings, and I've got all kinds of other supplies over there. There's some more brushes. Then over here I have some big pieces of Bristol paper, and there's an oil painting I did. Got a little tiny tripod there. Large rolls of paper, that is drawing paper. Then I have here some of my technical pens, supplies, and pencils, post-it notes, colored pencils, more colored pencils, technical pens, huge variety of pens right there, different colors, Sharpies, colored pencils, Sharpies, and ballpoint pens, more Sharpies, all kinds of gel pens, ballpoint pens, Sharpies, pencils, and kind of random stuff there. And then I have fountain pen. That is the Lamy Safari fountain pen, to be exact. I've got all kinds of different paper, and this is my huge assortment of sketchbooks and paper. There's different pastels and colored pencils, custom made sketchbooks, and there's some of my big sketchbooks. And over there I've got some drawings and some drawing I did for a competition. As you come down here, I've got other supplies. Charcoal, crayons, erasers, and some stuff I was working on that's not done. Paint and everything. And then I got in here's pastels, some like molding clay. There's my technical pen set, and this here. I haven't done a drawing with this yet, but I'll do it sometime. I shall do it sometime. And this is a glass dip pen. It'll focus if you can see that well. Got that online for about $12. And this is the ink that it comes with that I dip it in for the drawing. I got that online as well with it as the set all together. So I got both of those for about $30 technical pen. Then here's like a set of pastels and watercolor and charcoal and everything. This here is where I store my drawings. There's some little painting and a drawing I did on wood. And this here I store oil paint, and whenever I want to use it for another time. There's spray paint and then some stuff for oil painting. And then this here I have Prismacolor. I got this from a friend of mine. She gave it to me, and if I get it open, it's hard to open this with one hand, but I got these given to me, and she asked me if I wanted them. I was like, yeah, I'll take them. They're Prismacolor, but they're Prismacolor markers. These are very expensive, so happy to have those. And so that's my drawing setup, and down there I've got, I store all kinds of random things and paper and everything, but yeah, that's my drawing setup. My posters, this is where I do all of my work and drawing and editing videos. So it's a lot more organized than what I had before, and I like how I have it set up now. Works out pretty good for me. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or anything about any of my supplies or how I do videos or anything, just let me know and I'll get back with you on it. And for now, thanks for watching and have a good day.